if Ghislaine Maxwell does survive to stand trial on the very serious charges warranting 30 to 40 years of imprisonment, in other words, imprisoned for the rest of her life, then the only way out of that kind of prison sentence for Ghislaine Maxwell is to cough. And cough she might. It's already being allowed to be known, let's put it that way, that she has tapes. She has tapes, she claims, of 2 prominent American politicians having sex with minors. Now, I could make a pretty good guess as to who one of those might be, but the identity of the second has got me stumped up till now. And I would very much like for her to reveal these tapes and the thousands of other tapes that we know exist, because we have eyewitness accounts that every single room in the Manhattan townhouse sold to Epstein by Mr. Wexner of Victoria's Secrets for $1, every room in that mansion was bugged. There were cameras in every room, including the bathrooms. So every act which went on in that sordid mansion is on tape. Given that, it's exceedingly unlikely that the rooms and chalets in Paedophile Island were not similarly bugged, that there were not cameras catching the guests, cavorting with whom we do not yet entirely and completely know, in flagrante of the allegations.